Hello everyone. Now today we will discuss a neat question which was asked in 2017. Now this mechanism of this hypothetical reaction, that is x2 combines with y2 to form 2xy, is given below. Now this reaction happens in three steps. In the first step, this x2 will dissociate fast to form x and x respectively. Means now, this reaction is reverse since it is a reversible reaction. Now, the dissociation would be incomplete. Now, this some amount of x will combine with some quantity of this x. Some quantity of this x will combine with y2 to form xy and y. Now, this y combines with some more quantity of this x. This y combines with some quantity of this x. This y combines with some quantity of x to form xy. Now they have asked to calculate the overall order of the reaction. We have to find out the overall order of the reaction. The options mentioned are 2, 0, 1.5 and 1.0. Now we have to write the rate equation first for the slowest step. Among these three steps, for telling the order we are supposed to take the rate determining step. Slowest step is the rate determining step. Now I am going to write the rate equation for this rate determining step. Rate determining step is this one. Now I am going to write the rate equation for this slowest step, that is rate determining step. Now rate equation for this step is R is equal to rate is equal to K into rate constant, that is molar concentration of X and molar concentration of Y2. Now in the beginning andre we have taken x, but x is not, we have taken x2, but x2 is not participating in the slowest step. We have to find its concentration power. Since we have taken y2 in our reaction, that y2 completely participating in the slowest step and completely reacts to give same quantity of this y in the product side. Now we can see this there are two atoms of y in the left hand side. Now we can see in the product side two atoms of y. Here is one atom, here is one atom. Now whatever the quantity of y that has been reacted with x is appearing in the product side. Now this x, whatever we have taken this x, that is not completely involved in the slowest step. Hence we have to find its concentration power, and the concentration of power of y2 becomes 1. Why? Because now it is whatever the quantity we have taken that is completely participating in the slowest step, and it is completely that has been produced in the product side. Product side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Now we have written the rate equation like this. Now the concentration power of x we have to find it out, and the concentration of power of y2 is 1. Now we have to find out the value of this x. Now for finding the value of x, we are supposed to consider that equation where x has been appearing. Now x has been forming from the dissociation of x2. By the incomplete dissociation of this x2, x is forming. Now for this I have to write this equilibrium constant. For the first step I have to write the equilibrium constant. Now for this first step I am supposed to write this equilibrium constant K. What is this equilibrium constant K? This equilibrium constant K is equal to, is the ratio of product of molar concentration of products. Nothing but product of molar concentration of products, that is x and x, to the molar concentration of reactants. Reactant is our x2. Now what we are getting here is x square divided by x2. Square divided by x2. This is equilibrium constant. Now we want to find this x. Now let me take this x square in the left hand side. Now I'm going to send everything to the right hand side. Now what we are getting in the right hand side is k equilibrium into x2. Now if I send this to the right hand side, if this send this one to the right hand side, it becomes k to the power of half and x2 to the power of half. Now x is equal to k to the power of half, it's equilibrium constant, and x2 to the power of half of it. Now we have to substitute this x. Now put the value of x in this rate equation. Let me mention this equation number 1, rate equation as equation number 1, substituting x in equation 1. Substituting x in equation 1. What we are going to get here is rate is equal to k into rate is equal to k into x. X value is k to the power of half, that is equilibrium constant, x2, that is x2 to the power of half, x2 to the power of half, this x2 to the power of half. Let me put that bracket. Why? Because I have to specify it as molar concentration. Now we have substituted the value of x in the equation 1. Now what we are having in the equation 1 is y2 also, y2 to the power of 1, y2 to the power of 1. We have find out the value of concentration power of x2, that is concentration of power of x2 is half, hence order with respect to x2 is 1 by 2 and order with respect to y2 is 1. Now this, since these two are constants, I am going to mention this constant by k dash, nothing but, since rate constant and equilibrium constant both are constant, I am going to represent them by separate by mentioning a separate symbol, that is k dash. Now this is the product of these two constants. K dash is the product of rate constant as well as equilibrium constant. Now x2 to the power of half and y2 to the power of 1. Now that is rate. Now this rate equation is having two reactants where the concentration power of one reactant is half and the concentration power of another reactant is 1, that is 1 by 2. That is also mentioned as 1.5. Now our answer is 1.5, hence the option becomes C. Option C is our answer. Now that's it for now. Thank you.